Here we are at the rabbit hutch cleanout composter, and can you see that steam rising? Isn't that awesome? If you have rabbits, or you know somebody who has rabbits, and you're a gardener, or you want to make soil, look at this. It's so hot, which means that the compost is working. And the great thing about rabbit compost, it's all the clean out from the hutch, which is comprised of sawdust pellets. My neighbor uses Timothy hay, and then the urine and the little poop pellets. This combination is a perfectly balanced group of material to make compost that is absolute gold. So glad my neighbor has rabbits, and I'm so glad I got excited about learning about rabbit compost. Not the rabbits themselves, of course, but this just blows my mind. This is fairly fresh. It's only about a week or two since I put it in the composter, but check out that steam. So that combination of 4 materials, the sawdust pellets, the alfalfa hay, the urine, and the little poop, that is perfect combo of green and dry material, which compost needs to break down and to be a better balance of nutrients. So find those friends with bunnies, everybody, and get your rabbit poop compost on.